Hello, welcome back to Simple Trends. In today's video, let's cook a lesser used vegetable in most of the modern kitchens. But after knowing the health benefits of this wonderful vegetable, you are sure to cook this often. Let's make a simple and easy stir fry with the jackfruit. This is also called palamusu or palakai, the baby jackfruit. Select the smaller ones as they are tender and give a better taste. When cut, these give out a milky sap which stains floors and clothes. It is also sticky to touch. So apply a little oil to your palms when you begin to cut it. Also ensure you don't spill the sap on your clothes or floor. The raw jackfruit or the palamusu is rich in fiber and carbohydrates, but very less in calories. The glycemic index is very low, making it an ideal substitute for rice for diabetic patients. Enriched with minerals, this is an easy way to weight loss too. As you cut the raw jackfruit, add the pieces to water to avoid turning brown. To a 3-liter cooker, I add quarter cup of water. Add the chopped jackfruit pieces. Add quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, the needed salt, and add a piece of ginger. You can grate the ginger and add, but I prefer adding it as a small piece. I will remove it after cooking. Close and cook on high for just 1 whistle. As it is cooking, in the mixer jar, I add 2 green chilies. You can add more to suit your taste. 1 tablespoon jeera or cumin seeds. Quarter cup of chopped coconut. You can also use grated fresh coconut. I will pulse them without any water into a coarse paste. By now the jackfruit is done. The pressure has settled. Let's open and make the stir fry. It has cooked well but has not lost shape or it has mashed. In a kadai, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Heat it. You can also use coconut oil for this to give a better flavor. Add half teaspoon mustard, half teaspoon urad dal, half teaspoon chana dal and a little hing. Allow it to turn golden brown. Add a few curry leaves. Add the boiled jackfruit and cook on low flame. We have already added the salt needed for this recipe. You can chop the raw jackfruit or the palamusu into smaller pieces, but I prefer to have bite-sized chunks. You can see it has cooked well. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add the ground coconut, chili and the cumin paste. Mix well. Cover and cook on a low flame for 3 to 4 minutes. This allows the flavors to blend with the jackfruit. Our yummy jackfruit stir fry is ready to be served. Now that this jackfruit is in season, don't miss to have this wonderful vegetable for good health. Do let me know your feedback in the comment section below. Give a thumbs up and share with your near and dear ones. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to get updates on my new videos. See you all in another interesting and useful recipe. Till then, bye.